my fellow YouTubers. If I said to you you're making chicken fried steak, what would you think was the main ingredient? Yeah, it's not chicken, it's beef. Because them weird Americans over the pond, they make this chicken fried steak. It's weird, isn't it? But I'm going to give it a go. Hope you like it. Let's go. Apparently I've got to get some cubed steak, as they pronounce it over there, but I don't know what cube steak is, so I've got some of this, don't know what it is. Anyway, you've got to tenderise it. I love this tool. That. Oh, God, that doesn't work out. So far, so good. You know I'm going to get some steak for this video. It's an Englishman trying to make American food. But, you know, got to give it a go, haven't you? Right, getting onto the business end now, dredging station. How am I doing so far? Am I making you proud? You've always got a double dip, haven't you? I think I'm going to eat my words, you know. I think it's going to be quite tasty. We'll see. Right, we're at 375 Fahrenheit, 190. Let's get frying. Oh, I'm seriously salivating after this. Oh, listen to that. Oh. Oh my God. I can't wait. Okay. Right, I think we're there. The Americans love their mash like this. I'm not quite keen myself, but Now this country style white American gravy. Right on the top like that. Oh. There we have it. If there's any people from the US, let me know what I've done. Did I do it justice? Was it something that you do differently? Is the white gravy how you have it? Is the fried steak how you would make it? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to give it a go. It's tender. I quite like that. Let's shake it up. I'll take it back, you do know how to cook. Oh, that is nice, man. Tender. Right, I'm going to eat it all. Thanks, guys. I think someone liked it.